Hello, teacher. My name is Gianfranco Castillo. Uh, Tight summer. I am going to Cerrito Beach. I am Tumbes with my friends with love the sun and sail. We're going to relax on the beach, swim in ocean, and enjoy the sunny weather and local food. Our hotel and ocean beach and with plan to visit Narvik landmarks and exploring downtown. Before we need to make a reservation for not hotel and plan our activities. We are going to pack our swimsuits, sunscreens, and beach towels. Once we hit Tiri, we are going to look around the local markets and three French seafood. We are also going to take it a boat tour to see the mangrove beds and maybe even spot some dolphins. It's going to be a fun and relaxing vacation. Sounds amazing. I am going to visit Wakachina in Ica. We are going to go sunbathing and enjoy the beautiful oasis that Rosen offers in the tour. So we are going to join one to sit and study before we go with net to book our stay and in their resort and pack like clothes, sunglasses and to protect us from the sun. We are going to try the local cuisine like the famous Ica, Texas and Pisco. We are also going to visit Nerville Vineyard and learning about the winner making process during our stay. We are going to take a dune buggy ride and enjoy that adrenaline rush. We are going to look around the oasis and relax by the water. It's going to be an exciting and adventurous trip. That sounds great. For my vacation, I am going to visit Marcahuasi with my family. We are going to go see mountain and exploring transform stone formation theory. Before we go, we need to make a reservation and pack our camping gear, warm clothes, and hiking boots. We are going to look around the area and take lots of pictures during our stay. We are going to hike, enjoy one beautiful beaches, and maybe even camp overnight. I can't wait to visit the French mountain. I it's it start I need and of course we are going to treat the local and learning about the story of Marcahuasi. It's going to be exciting adventure. That's so incredible. I have bet Marcahuasi it's beautiful. Yes, I been sent picture and see stunning. I am sure going to have a amazing time. Thank you.